Going to Manila. Philippine Airlines finally flies direct from Seattle to Manila. So anyways, we're about to board. Wanted to show you guys everything I'm gonna eat on this flight. Yeah! And I've got all the girls with me too. Well, I say all the girls. I've got JMK with me on this trip. We're gonna grub good. There we go.
Yes, ma'am. But we need...
I love Filipino food. And of course, Philippine Airlines, they're gonna have some delicious eats here. They have an Ilocano cauliflower adobo. What about top silog? They have beef tapa, sunny side up egg, served with garlic fried rice. You like garlic fried rice? Oh, they have atascaldo. Atascaldo. They're known for their atascaldo, so we're definitely gonna try that out. And of course, they have all kinds of other foods too. Bagel and lox for breakfast, mid-flight refreshments, tortellini.
What is that?
That's
is it
pasta. Yep.
I want to get pasta.
Okay, there you go.
Do you think I could get both?
I think you can. I bet you for dinner, if you wanted to, instead of getting all this stuff, you can just be like, can I have atascaldo? That's the way to go, honestly. And then of course I got my champagne right when I sat down. They're like, would you like some champagne, sir? So what kind of juice did you get?
Mango juice, but I drink like half of it already.
You got the mango juice? So I did order a beer, Asahi. They gave me ice. I just realized they gave me ice. You don't want ice with your beer. No ice now. Oh yeah. Something about cold beer on a plane. Yeah. First little bite, hummus, I guess. Carrot, celery, and I'm assuming that's a cracker. Do you like it, baby? Yeah. Fancy. Cheers. Oh. Got a little olive oil in there. Try the cracker now. Uh-oh. That was a nice little appetizer. Excuse me. Uh-oh. I got hiccups. There you go.
Tiger shrimp.
Thank you. Woo. Wow, sinigang on a plane. That's awesome. Mia's saying I should try the bread. Okay, thank you. Garlic bread. On point. On point. There's a legit prawn up in here. Look at that. Oh yeah. I don't normally get seafood sinigang. Ooh, okra too? I like that. Is this bok choy, I'm guessing? Let's try it. Ooh, it's nice and warm too.
Yeah, because they usually do have fish in Senegal.
Perfectly sour. You gonna try the okra now? Wow, that's awesome. The vegetables, they actually have a fresh texture to them. You'd assume on an airplane, wow, I just ate a pepper and that was spicy. Oh, I guess I can have my bread with you. Oh yeah.
Is it warm?
Ooh, oh yeah. Here,
Thank you.
gotta put the butter on there. Cute little butter there. Put that butter on there. The bread is warm, so that's good. That's nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. Try this. Time for the soup. Oh. That is good. Sinigang is probably one of the most delicious health foods on earth. Wow, look at that. That's how good it was. For reals. My gosh, that makes me miss our sinigang. Girls are back there grubbing. TikToking maybe? Are they TikToking? Ooh, okay, I gotta see this, baby. Okay, tell me this ain't a fancy Caesar salad. It's got the whole lettuce still intact. You're gonna need a knife for this, baby.
Yeah.
You're gonna share that Caesar salad with me?
Yeah.
How's that, baby? Are you eating the lettuce? Nothing fancy. Oh!
Look at this.
There you go, she got a tomato with hers. That's actually pretty good. I'd say that's pretty good. Thank you.
Sorry.
Yo, Fancy cauliflower adobo. I've always said that they should have adobo on the plane, and my wishes came true. I'm assuming you don't eat this, so I'm gonna put this off to the side. Cauliflower adobo. I just would never think to do cauliflower, but what better way to make cauliflower better by making it adobo? I don't know what to expect. It's literally cauliflower, so there we go. No joke, it's straight up cauliflower.
All those vegetarians out there.
It's got a different essence to it. Obviously there's no fat, but it's hella bomb. Imagine adobo with none of the fat, just the flavor, the soy sauce flavor. Little sugar in there or something like that. Plenty of sabao too with that rice.
Really?
You want to try it? Here. Well, you went right in there with that spoon. Is that good? Is it Mia approved? Oh. It's good, but it's not Mia approved. Vegetarian? I'll take it. My theory on why they don't have pork adobo is because it's kind of sacred and you don't want to mess it up. I'm starving it down though, I'll tell you what. So Mia likes the salad, but she doesn't want the stem part. So that's what I'm gonna do right there. I'm gonna take it. Hear that crunch? That's legit. All right, I love these little olive oil balsamic vinegar bottles. Obviously just mix it. Come on! All right, let's put it out there. There we go. There we go. It's kind of a lot, but only need one bite. Are you a butter person or an olive oil person? I'm a butter guy, but I appreciate good olive oil. All right, so Mia, she's eating the filet mignon because she's fancy like that. And it's got potato puree in it, it looks like. You want me to cut it for you?
Yes.
Do you want to save your flour?
I don't want the flour.
You don't want the flour? Okay. Because you need to eat some protein. And guess what? Daddy does too because I had a vegan meal. Filet mignon on a plane. Alright. What's your thoughts?
These mashed potatoes.
Yeah, you like it?
The meat tastes good.
How do you like the sauce? The sauce on top, the brown sauce.
It's okay.
Yeah. Fancy little cheese platter. I heard they're not serving dessert on this flight. So we're gonna have to just...
You could eat it that you like.
But I heard they ran out because we're in the back. When you're riding in business class, dessert always has a sweet and has cheese option. I love cheese, so I always go for it. Gonna start with this one. I don't know what it is, but it's got holes in it. Maybe it's Swiss. Yeah.
You're supposed to put it on the tap.
Right. Mia's saying I need to put it on the cracker.
You're not supposed to bite it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, can you get really thin piece?
Is that thin enough for you? What's this remind you of?
Cheese.
I was gonna say Lunchables. Fancy Lunchables. There we go. I don't know what this one is. Ooh, I'm not gonna say before she eats. I think it's smoked Gouda. It's smoked though for sure. Smoked cheese, underrated. That's good, creamy. Have a little craisin with it too. Last one is a harder cheese. Also has some holes in it.
I bet that one's Swiss.
It's flavorful. I don't know what it is though. My favorite part's the craisins.
I just want to try
The
it.
brownie. Let me try this.
It also comes with flavor.
With fruit and everything. Pretty good. That whipped cream though. Haagen-Dazs. Probably got a little spoon in there too. I'm commandeering the ice cream from Mia because she got both the brownie and ice cream. And then she put the ice cream on her brownie because she ate all the whipped cream. Haagen-Dazs, always good. Oh my God. It's said that your taste buds experience food differently on a plane.
It's 1:34 a.m.
Thank you. All right, so that was dinner. I'm tired. I thought that was a 9 out of 10. My favorite was the sinigang. Seriously. And of course, I like the cauliflower adobo.
I like the bread.
You like I should have probably ordered them, you know, kids' food or pasta or something like that. I bet you would have liked it. But they got tortellini later. Auto scaldo.
I don't want the pasta anymore.
Oh, yeah. You want the auto scaldo? I like her thinking. It seems to me that they stepped up their food recently because that sinigang was legit. My opinion is Filipino food is so good that especially on a plane, just serve the good stuff. Adobo, sinigang, what else? Pancit. I mean, like all those are just such family party type of foods, but still, no need to be fancy in my opinion. The filet mignon was nice, but if I could get some legit pork adobo, ordering that every single time. Excited for the auto scaldo later. Alright, so this is gonna sound silly, but Philippine Airlines has the best snacks of any airlines for reals, okay? Thank you for having me back here. I'm here to attack your snack area. Okay, look at these, you guys. Look at all this. My favorite is the dried mango. Look at this. They have dried mango on the plane. But of course, they've got all kinds of other snacks, a whole bunch of fruit. Their chocolate's awesome. I bet they would let me take as much as I want, but I'm not going to. Look, it says milk chocolate. Okay, so this was a dark chocolate. They've got milk chocolate. Look, 2 different size bars. This has little cacao nibs in it. Ponchos? I forget what that is. Oh, it's like a nacho cheese chip. Got some nuts, salted cashews. And what else? Some more potato chips. Plain salted potato chips. I know I'm making a big deal out of something so small, but seriously, I always bring snacks home when I leave a Philippine Airlines flight. I remember once they did a chocolate covered mango. Anyways, just had to show you guys. Just ask for some snacks and they'll usually have some snacks. Thank you.
Thank you.
What the girls have been waiting for. Auto scaldo. Got the chicken, garlic pieces, green onions, and of course they got a little bit of a lime. Ooh, it's hot too. It's very hot. It's so hot I'm probably not gonna pick it up. But yeah, she got her goldfishes. We all slept for probably a good 6 solid hours. And just
9 a.m.
the reason I'm squeezing this lime right here like this is because Mia's not a big fan of lime.
Daddy's at 9 a.m.
I just got a little bit of egg. There's egg on top too. Oh, salty. That was really good. Auto scaldo, such a comfort food. And on a plane ride, great way to ease on into the Philippines.
It's really good.
There's chunks of chicken. And like I said, there's some salted egg in there. The girls aren't used to this salted egg. Now, of course, you'll be super biased towards Judy's. But when you're 10,000 feet in the air, it's delicious. I always love the little crunch of the green onions. I love green onion flavor too. When it comes to your auto scaldo, are you more on the thicker side or the soupy side? Okay, I think I'm gonna have the croissant this morning. Thank you. Breakfast about to get started. Again with a cute little butter. Ooh, this croissant's warm too. There we go. Yes, I do like to add more butter. Oh baby, I like it when that butter melts in that croissant. Typically croissants are already really buttery, so you shouldn't need the butter, but nobody ever minded extra butter.
I got some
You got cinnamon roll? How is it, babe?
good.
Show me. Up next is a nice selection of fruit, pineapple, honeydew, watermelon. I'm gonna start with honeydew. Man, when honeydew is ripe, it just hits. Watermelon. It's like I'm in paradise already. Great. Schweppes. First time having this sparkling soda water. Is this club soda? always love having club soda or sparkling water with my coffee. Philippines has really good coffee. They have both great coffee and great chocolate. A lot of people don't know that. I love the coffee shops in Manila. And then they have the really famous coffee where the cats or some kind of jungle animal eats the beans, then poops it out, and then they find those beans. I'm pretty sure they're washing them, and then they roast those, and then there's coffee. Forget what it's called. Maybe we'll put the term here. It's a special kind of coffee. Coffee that cats eat the beans, poop it out, and then roast them. Thank you. Bagel and lox with the flour and everything. So Mia got the top silog. Not exactly sure what that is, but there's a fried egg, some kind of beef topping, some onions, fried onions, and then there's of course rice underneath. That looks hella good. Bagel's nice and warm. Do you guys ever eat this part? There's a lot of onions. I like that. It's kind of a normal thing to have onions, but I was not expecting that. Look at that, nice big old pieces of salmon. Put it right on top. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, top silog. I'm not sure if I've ever tried top silog. Maybe I have. I wonder if top silog stands for something.
If she knows it.
Like in that cinnamon roll. I like the lox. Oh yeah, thank you. That's good. Coffee test. Oh yeah, that's really good. Roasty, dark, robust. Oh, makes me want to have more salmon. Hey, do you have any chocolate left?
We would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much. We just landed. Good morning. Good morning. That was a great flight. Great food, great service. Got some sleep, full belly. If you guys are looking to fly directly from Seattle to Manila, Philippine Airlines got you. SeaTac Airport now features direct flights. And lots of snacks. You get those dried mangoes and the Atascaldo. Girls, are you happy? Yeah, all right. Hey, where's Mia? Mia, did you have a good flight? All right. Anyways, as they like to say in the Philippines, mabuhay.